Welcome to this lecture in the course, where we're going to discuss the ERC721 token contract. This has become ever more popular due to the rise of CryptoKitties and generally crypto collectibles. CryptoKitties, crypto puppies, crypto pets are all a part of the latest use case upon the Ethereum blockchain. These fun experiments are disguising a powerful use case for Ethereum, digital collectibles, or as they're referred to, crypto collectibles. CryptoKitties, more specifically, is a virtual blockchain-based game that lets players adopt, raise, and trade virtual, you guessed it, cats. Sounds similar to Tamagotchis or even Pokemon? I think so, but on the blockchain. It's estimated that individuals have spent over $10 million playing CryptoKitties. These crypto collectibles may, and I emphasize the word may, just become one of the platform's most successful applications. Why? Well, because it shows how the blockchain can transfer valuable assets without a third party. Thought leaders such as the founder of Litecoin, Charlie Lee, argue this is an important step. The technical standard which made CryptoKitties possible has been discussed at length, ERC721. But until CryptoKitties came along, no one had really implemented it with such success. How much of a success, you may ask? One CryptoKitty sold for $110,000. That's how much of a success. Naturally, as this is an early stage development, there are issues. But as with everything in this ecosystem, with time, it'll mature. For those of you aware of the ERC20 technical standard, you may ask, just why not follow that? Well, one, ERC20 tokens are all equal to each other. Hence, there will be no unique proposition between them to make it collectible. 2. ERC20 tokens can be broken down. If they can be broken down, it removes the collectible element of the whole thing. Who wants to own half a collectible? It just wouldn't make sense. Hence ERC721, which solves those concerns. As with other collectibles and scarce goods, the value of CryptoKitties as well as other collectibles is set by the market and collectors out there. The market sets the price. Digital collectibles, basically CryptoKitties in the context of this lecture, is only possible due to the create upon the Ethereum blockchain because of the ERC20 and this. So the ERC20 is irrelevant for digital collectibles. It all comes down to the ERC721 token contract, which makes these digital and crypto collectibles upon the Ethereum blockchain work. It was actually introduced by Dieter Shirley in 2017. ERC721 was proposed as a standard that would allow smart contracts to operate as a tradable token similar. However, in contrast to ERC20 token contracts, ERC721 contracts are unique in that they're not fungible. The ERC721 standard defines the following: functions name, symbol, total supply, balance of, owner of, approve, take ownership, transfer, token of owner by index, token metadata, transfer, and approval. Here's an example of an ERC721 contract, which I'm sure you'll find of value. You can also check it out for yourself by visiting this page and this link if you wish to.